welcome to Dexter's here. And today we're gonna play Animal Jam Play Wild. And a lot of them suggested me to play it, so let's play. I also played it before, but I forgot the password for it, so let's make my own. So I know you have to put your own account in it. Darn it, there's no freaking bird or duck. Well, I guess I'll take a wolf. Yep, I'm taking wolf. I'm taking the freaking wolf. I'm taking the wolf. Okay, let's see. How about that sort of sounds like duck. Darling, daredevil, dancing. You know what? Where's Daredevil? Where's Daredevil? Daredevil. Okay, there we go. So I am a Daredevil, and let's see. Sometimes I'm funny, and Daredevil funny girl. Nope, that sounds weird. So, is there a freaking duck in here? Please say there's a duck. Please. Please. Sometimes, well, I guess I'll do pirate because there's Wolfie the Pirate Husky, which is my own creation, and Wolfie. Hey. Ahoy there, mate. Fixers, Wolfie. Yes, you are recording. Fixers. So, wait, what do you think of my name? Daredevil Funny Pirate. Love it. Thanks. Okay, let's play. So, I am a wolf, apparently, instead of a duck. So yeah. Did you know the lesser ed traitor is also known as a penguin? Hello, who's telling me that?
Welcome to your new home.
Hi.
My name is Peck, and I'd like to show you around.
Okay.
Follow me.
Okay, yeah, I'm ready. I hate my new look. I hate my look. Hello.
Here in Japan, everyone has their own unique style.
Hello.
Let's start by customizing yours. Go ahead and click on your animal picture to customize your look.
Okay. Let's see what I'll look like. I already know what I looked like in last time.
You can choose and combine lots of different colors.
Okay.
You can change the shape and color of your eyes.
Okay.
And you can create lots of different patterns in your fur.
I'm going to turn this up just in case you can't hear.
When you are happy with your new look, click on the X button in the corner to exit.
Okay. Let's do this. Okay, where's my color? Okay, let's go here. I think I chose this one. No, I chose this one. So I'll choose this one. And then I'll choose this one. Okay, I love it. I love this so far. Let's see. Oh, my sweet little ducklings. I'll take the hearts. And of course, purple. Where's purple? Purple. Well, I guess I'll take this purple for now. I'll think I'll like some patterns. Thank you. Should I take the hearts? Stars. Where's stars? I think I'll take the hearts. And then for the final color, freaking love it. I love it.
Everyone seems to love the new you.
Thank you so much.
How do you feel about it? To show others how you're feeling, click the emote button and then choose your favorite emote.
Okay.
To show others how you're feeling, click the emote button and then choose your favorite emote.
Okay, I'm sorry that I'm not talking that much.
I know just what you mean. Hey, look! Free stuff!
Oh, yes, yes. Thank you. I accept.
Look at all those gems. How many did you find?
About 1,000.
Lucky you! You'll find more fun ways to get gems as you explore Jamaa, along with lots of places to spend them. There are games, adventures, parties, shops, and so much more. I think you're ready to explore on your own. This way, to Jamaa!
Okay. Well, beavers build their homes in the middle of ponds. Okay, as I was saying, I forgot what I was saying, but who cares? So, okay. First of all, do I need to put my own account in this? Oh yeah, I think I do. I forgot how I did this. Okay, so where's the settings? Oh, there it is. I need to add my account on there because that's what I did last time. Okay. Okay, I might need to pause this, so yeah. Hold on for a sec. Okay, I put in my birthday, my gender, and of course my channel. Channel, that sounds right. Channel. Okay, you just say it in real life. Or your cartoon, or the cartoon world, or the Unique Machine world, or Minecraft world, or Roblox world, or whatever dimension you are in. I am in Cartoon World. Or Animal Jam. I think I'm in Animal Jam world dimension. I'm in Animal Jam dimension, okay. I'll call me Duck. Wait, no, I don't want to be Dexter's the Duckling. How about this will be my new name. Wolf Steep. Does this work? Yes. Okay. Does this? Okay, it does show. Okay. I'm not gonna show the password or else someone's gonna use it, so I gotta pause it right now, okay? Wait, I'm gonna hide the password. No, then it'll still show. No. Okay, I'll just pause it. Hold on for a sec. I'm gonna go to the next part after I put in my password, so hold on for a sec. Okay, so great, now I have to put in my parents' email. Okay, I'll just use my YouTube account. Hold on for a sec, okay? May I? Actually, I put it in my mom's old account, but hopefully it works. Hopefully. So let's just hope for the best, and the screen turned black for some reason. Okay, there we go. Animal Jam Play Wild. Yeah. Okay, how much minutes has it been? Already been 9 minutes. Okay, so let's do this. There's a ladybug right there, a lovely ladybug, and a lovely chameleon or lizard. Whatchamacallit? Cheetahs go from 0 to 60. Never mind. I'm not gonna read the rest of that. Nope, not gonna say. You've earned an extra 9,500 gems for creating an account. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Well, apparently it's like Christmas. It's sort of like a Christmas game, but not now. You know. Can I customize my character now? Please. Is there my fit? Where's my clothes? There we go. This is what I used to wear. And I freaking loved it. This is what... Okay, is that the lot, sorry, but I'll play a game. Sorry, I can't take your friend request unless you tell me in the comments below what your name is in Animal Jam, so I'll know. Okay. So I'm new jammer. Okay. I never really played that much mini games, but I do play random games. Mostly just explore. That's what I do. And sometimes I like to try to find secrets, you know? Darn it! Oh, quack, quack, quack. I'm not doing this. Did I freaking win? Yeah! Oh, yes, yes. I love it. Freaking love it. Well, I did play some of the mini games, but earn gems and games are good. Oh, just walk around. Oh, I want to play checkers. I want to play checkers. Where are you at? I want to play. Okay, wait, I want to play checkers. Oh, darn, I can't. Okay, did not mean to say yum, but you know, I was meant to say but I accidentally said yum. Okay. I'm exploring right now. Okay, let's see. I want to see if there's any secrets, you know? And also, after this loading screen is out, okay, it's already been 13 minutes. Okay. Okay, let's see. First of all, let's check. So where's the wolf? Is the wolf here? No, it is not. Maybe the coldness? No. Maybe here? Nope. There it is. I'm gonna go here. Darn it, that's the Arctic wolf. Where's the wolf? There it is. Okay, let's see. I just wanted to show you guys. It's probably going to be laggy, but sorry if it is laggy. This is like the wolf secret hub. Also, I love this. I love this. I love this. Also, I'm going to show you all my dance moves, but first, let's go. Let's go out here real quick. I want to get out of this. I want to get out real quick. Okay, let's see. If they actually had ducks in this game, I would be so freaking happy. I would be a freaking duck, of course. Because, you know. Ooh, water. Yep, and of course we talk. Not talk weird, but walk world. Word. Ugh. Why am I saying the wrong stuff today? Oh gosh. And also, the Laudum, just let you know, my name in Emerald Gem is Daredevil Funny Pirate. If you come to this end and you accidentally skipped it, well, I'm letting you know again. And yeah, okay, let's play some mini games, okay? Okay, let's play. Let me show you how good I am at painting. I mean, trying on the screen. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this is a rough draft. Okay, I can zoom in. Good. I wanna do heart for you guys. That's just for you guys, and then how do I? Yes, I want to change it. Do red. I want to do red. Okay. Okay, and you guys are gonna love it. Hold on for a sec. Okay, I might need to erase this. Okay. I need to erase this. Yes, I'm gonna start over. Okay. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, guys? Okay. Ta-da! Okay. Gotta be honest, I didn't really try on it, but I didn't try my very best, but I didn't really try, you know? But I hope you guys like it, and yeah, I want to save it. Hold on for a sec. Saved it. So apparently you just do this. How about I choose this? Darn it, I can't even choose a frame for it. Nope, I'm not gonna pay for it. Okay, hold on for a sec. Hold on. Okay, so I loaded it in my picture, so it should be done. Okay, so I'm all done. Yes, I'm finished painting. So that is when I'm not really fully trying, you know? But if you really want me to try, then I'll do the next one. You know what? Hello other wolves, hello other doggies, other animals. My name's Daredevil Funny Pirate. Don't change my name. Twinkle Bolt Lily. You know what? To be honest, I think mine is even weirder than the others. No, I'm being completely honest. Completely honest. Wait, let's see the others. Hold on for a sec. Let's see the other mini games. I want to show you my favorite. My favorite game. Let's see. Not best dressed. I think it's Rolling Phantoms. Is this the right one? But if it isn't, then I'm gonna play it anyways. Oh yeah, it is. It is. It is my favorite. This one's my favorite game. Oh yeah. Yeah, boy. I'm gonna do this. So I played a lot of this game. And I'm like the last one to live. Sort of. Unless it gets really hard and no one can beat it. I'll try my best. Oh, crack no. Okay, yes, I try my best, but just in order to crack no parts. Nope. Nope, 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 no, 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 nope, 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 nope. Oh, crack. Quack. Quack no. Quack no. New game. I want a rematch. Okay, pretend that am I recording? Yes, I am. Oh, quack! No! Oh, holy quack! Almost got me. Also, don't ask why I'm out of school. It's an early out. I left at 1:30, but I wanted to rest a little. And yes, I will play Vlogger Go Viral, that YouTuber game that I played once. I will. Yeah, kiss my wolf. Oh, quack, no. Quack, no. Quack, no. Oh, quack. Oh, quack. Holy quack. Holy quack. Holy quack. Holy quack. This is intense now. Very intense. Very, 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 very intense. Oh, no, no, no. Darn it, I got hit. Then he got hit. Okay. Holy quack. That was very intense. Guys and gals, that was very intense. Oh, my sweet little ducklings. Oh, my sweet little ducklings. Oh yeah, wanna know one thing that I should have said in the beginning? Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell if you hadn't already. That's what I should have said. And also subscribe to Games of Lame 149. He's my little uncle and it'll help a lot. And sorry if you don't understand me right now and it's really hard to talk like this. Okay, that was a lot of words to blurt out, but who cares? Let's see what else. Okay. Let's see what else. Overflow. Hot cocoa machine, smoothie machine. Let's see. How about no, not Phantom Dodger. Overflow. I think I played that before, but I'm not fully sure. I'm not sure if that's a new game or an old game, but I'll do either for now since I forgot. Okay, never played it. Oh. Oh, now I get it. Yes. Depending on the types of materials that are ground now, beaches can be white, green, pink, or even black. What? Black, even black. Okay, let's see. Do this, do this, do this, do this, do this. Almost. Double checking. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So that I never played this before, but now I played. Okay, beaches are composed of material that has been eroded or broken down by the ocean. Okay. Next level. Wait, I wonder what happens. Okay, I just wanted to know what happens, so yeah, don't. Okay, almost there we go. Let's see. One more level. That was easy. Okay, so I only did a couple levels, and that's all the levels I'm gonna do. It's already been 25 minutes. Okay, What else? Guess I'll do fast foodies. Okay, I played this game before, fast foodies. So let's see. I've been practicing my fast finger skills or whatever that kind of skill is, but remember, light goes before the hand, so yeah. And it's already been 25 minutes, so I'll choose hut, of course. Track ingredients to different cooking stations, then serve the complete food to your customers. Customers who get their food quickly will be happy and give you more gems. Okay. You like orange? Okay. Yeah, you doing your happy dance? Okay. You want this? Okay. Okay, here we go. See? You see how fast I was? That was easy. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna, so I just do this. Oopsie, you made me do it. Hey, game, you made me do it. The game freaking made me do it. You said I made the wrong one, but you actually did. Okay, so 2 oranges, dark lion, and here you go. I thought I already gave you one. Okay, thank you for the coins. Thank you very much. Okay, here you go. I can't believe the game actually did that. Just said that I made the mistake, but the game actually made me do the mistake. It's not even my mistake. Seems like there's not that much customers, so, and they're just there. Okay. Well, my job's done, so let's scoop it. Yes, I mean quit. I accidentally made a mistake there, but who cares? Guys and girls, I'm afraid I'm gonna make a second episode, so yeah. And soon I'm gonna do a picture show off, but soon as I finish all the models of Seven Nights at Wolfie's, I'll show you all the characters soon as I finish all the models. You know, all the characters at Seven Nights at Wolfie's. But I'm only at the Phantoms. Soon as I get to the Rockstars, then I'll show you the Rockstars. But I'm not gonna do the backgrounds and all that quack yet, but I did do the first models of them. I think all of them. Like, for example, Doodle's a poodle. I think I made a newer version of him. And then there's Boop. Boop! Like Freddy Boop's nose or something like that. Boop. It's a Chihuahua. I already made a new version of him a while ago when I made the first models. But yeah, so see you next time on Ducksters. Bye!